In this video, let me show you the comparison between Google TV, Tizen OS, and Webos. When choosing a smart TV, the operating system behind it can significantly impact your experience. Google TV, Tizen OS, and Webos all offer different advantages depending on your needs. Google TV is built on Android TV and integrates tightly with Google services. Its biggest disadvantage is its excellent app availability through Google Play. However, the main downside is that its interface can feel cluttered and ad heavy, especially on budget TVs. Tizen OS, developed by Samsung, is optimized for smooth performance on Samsung TVs. Its main strength is its fast and responsive interface, especially for gaming. On the downside, its app store is more limited compared to what's available on Google TV. WebOS, used in LG TVs, is known for its clean and user-friendly interface. The top pro is its simplicity and ease of use, especially with features like Magic Remote. However, it has fewer available apps and limited smart ecosystem integration outside LG and Apple. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.